Number 1 dumbbell lateral raises. Target muscle lateral deltoid. Stand holding a lightweight dumbbell in both hands or sit on the bench. Bending your elbow, raise the dumbbell to the side and squeeze the lateral deltoid muscle. Then while maintaining control over the speed, bringing the dumbbell to the starting position. For correct form, you must take advice of your gym trainer so that your side shoulder muscle can be worked well. Perform 4 sets and 12 to 15 reps. Number 2 Smith machine shoulder press. Target muscle anterior deltoid and lateral deltoid. First of all, set the bench of the Smith machine and sit on the bench of the machine with back supported and hold the barbell of the machine with hand wider than shoulder width. Press the barbell upward by slightly moving the elbow forward, then hold it for 1 second and then squeeze the shoulder muscle. Then slowly bringing the barbell down to the shoulder level with control speed. You can perform this exercise on the machine without any cheating and with the correct form. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Number 3 Dumbbell Arnold Press. This is a variation of dumbbell shoulder press which you have to perform as shown in the video. Sit on the bench with back supported, holding the dumbbell in both hands. Slowly rotate your femur during the press to activate the entire shoulder and while controlling the speed, bringing the dumbbell downward. Engage your core to provide stability during the rotational movement. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions. Number 4 One-arm cable lateral raises. Stand at the side of the cable machine with your feet shoulder width apart and hold the single handle cable with one hand without jerking the body with control form by bending the elbow. Raise the handle to the side to the shoulder level and squeeze the muscle in the lateral deltoid and then slowly bringing the handle to the starting position and do the same with the other hand with the same form. Perform 3 sets of this in which you have to do 12 to 15 repetitions with both hands. Number 5 Cable Rear Delt Fly. Stand in the middle of the cable machine and attach the handle at chest height on the both sides of the machine, keeping the back tight. Pull the handle out to the side and squeeze the shoulder blade together. Then slowly bringing the cable forward together. Bend your elbow slightly to reduce stress on the joint. Do 3 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions with light weight. Number 6 Machine Reverse Fly. Set the chest fly machine at shoulder height and sit on the bench of the machine with chest supported. Hold the handle in front with both hands and pull the handle backward and hold it for 1 second. Squeeze the shoulder blade together. During all this momentum, keep your elbow slightly bended. Gradually increase the weight as you become more comfortable with this exercise. Do 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions of this.